Yo, welcome back. If you know me, you know I've been trying to get my hands on this silhouette in any colour for a long time. But now I've finally done it. Let's go. Yes, welcome back, people. It's a nice day for me today. That's what I'm saying to you. It's a nice day for me. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Patrick T. I do reviews on all kind of kicks and trainers, and my goal is to try and help you decide whether or not to cop or drop. So I basically give you everything I can. I look at the box, I look at what you get in the box, the trainer, the sizing, the quality, all that stuff you need to know, and hopefully give you a honest opinion of whether or not these are something for you. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, please hit the notification bell, and definitely hit the like button if the video gives you context. If you've come back to my channel and you haven't already, please do the same. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like my videos, and to everyone, please comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're interested in. Let me know if these are not for you, they are for you, where you want them, or whatever. I try and give you everything. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this. And we are talking about the Adidas Nmd S1.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be.
Now this is in the black colorway. Now these released a year or 2 years ago. I'm not too sure. I haven't really done my research. I'm just saying I've wanted them for a time. They had them in white. They had them in green. I couldn't get any. I was always getting rejected. And then I finally got these in the black colorway. But now I've got my hand on these. I'm about to get into this. And I know I'm going to be happy when I'm reviewing this for you. So I hope you enjoy what I'm going to give you. So the first thing we have to do is look at the box. Now the box itself comes wrapped in its own sleeve. Okay. When you remove the sleeve, on there you have a little Adidas logo just at the top in the left hand corner, and then underneath that in the bottom left hand corner you have the words Nmd S1 Edition 3 2022 Q1. On the side of the box you have the same print in there in the top left. It says Nmd S1 Edition 3 2022 Q1. There it says full length internal boost, 3D prime knit upper, core black, and it says FTW are white. On the other side of the box you have the three lines, two short lines and a long line, which kind of represent the bulges you'll see on the side of the Nmd. When you open the box, which is a lift off lid, you are presented with a presentation. Now first of all, you see there's a card what's there, and it has embossed on it two lines, Nmd S1 line underneath, and then the long line it's got the Adidas label embossed on that. Next to that, under a little elastic there, you have a pair of extra laces, and then you lift that up and you're presented with the other Nmd. Both have their own shoe bag. So when you lift up the shoe bag, it's a quality bag, I can't lie, it feels really nice. Again, you have the Nmd S1 branding on there with the two lines and the longer line, and a massive thick string or rope or lace to open these. When you open that bag and pull it out, the Nmd is in your hand. Whew. When you take out what you believe is just the shape guard. It's not even paper like you get on, it's plastic. And again, you've got the Adidas branding on the side, the 2 stripes and the long stripe, the Adidas leaf over it. Just inside it says NMD S1 again, and that's it for inside that. So here we have it, the NMD S1 Core Black. Anyway, sorry. Let's do what we normally do. Let's start with the sole of the shoe. Now, as you can see, the sole, it has the Adidas leafing as grips all the way through. You have that classic NMD square right in the midsole of the shoe there, as you can see. Everything else around is the Adidas leaf to give you that grip. Underneath that, you can see the boost system all in white, just going through it. Now we turn to the midsole, which is the love it or hate it part of this kick. But it might be all a part of kick, but it's one what it's just different from anything else. You see, as this is the core black, it's completely black, but you can see it's translucent through, so you can see the Adidas boost system underneath that, just up to the point where your foot will sit on top of it. You then have these protruding, what do you call it, wedges, what come out the side, and this is in line with those stripes you see with the Adidas branding, with the 2 short stripes, then the long one. The 2 short stripes at the little toe of your foot, you've got the Adidas branding on one of them, and then the back one is just completely longer and just sits out from your shoe. The top is complete prime knit, and what you have in the middle of it is see-through webbing, which looks silver or white, but you can actually put your finger, you know, it's completely see-through. A bit like what you get with the Yeezys, or the recent Yeezy 350 version 3s, you know, you've got that bit where you can see through. Then you've got the 3 stripes in a kind of rubber molded onto them there. If you go to the back of the heel, and on the back of the heel it says the brand with the 3 stripes, and it says Adidas underneath with the leaf logo. At the top near the heel, you have 3 layers of white stitching. It expands, but I suppose this is to lock your foot into the shoe. Now this is just a sock, basically. It has the laces here, but it's a bit like the 350, Yeezy 350. You can put your foot in there. You don't really need laces. But obviously the laces are there. These laces have that rope type look to them, so they have little white specks going through it, whereas the extra laces have a completely black. So you may just want to forget the white bit and just put in the black laces and be done with it. Obviously within the prime knit, you've got the loops there for the laces to go through, which are quite rigid. And just at the top of the tongue, you have a little Adidas tag, which is sewn onto the tongue. It's got embossed in there the Adidas leaf. Then underneath that inside, you've got the line for the S1 going through there. I don't know if that shines at night or not. It may do. I'm not too sure. Obviously, if your foot's on it, you're not going to see it anyway, so it makes no difference. And the insole itself, which can come out, is completely black. It has the NMD S1 and Adidas leaf with the 3 stripes, 2 short stripes and a long stripe. It feels very nylon-y, very smooth and comfortable. Not too thick, I have to say, not too thick, but then I suppose you have the boost system underneath your foot, so you don't need this to be thick as well. If we move round to the toe box, just where your big toe is, you have a reinforced rubber there. I suppose just to protect your toe just in case, or to stop your foot moving around too much. Now on feet, when you look down, it looks like the shoe veers off to the left a bit, because where you see those wedges what stick out, it looks like you're not centered, which is a weird kind of look, or a weird kind of feel when you look down at the shoe. It doesn't look like, it looks like there's a bit more to the left of you, and it's on the right foot, there's a bit more to the right, but they're very comfortable. These are true to size. I would not go half size up or down on these, because you're going to be disappointed. The sock might help you, you can put the socks in, but they're definitely true to size for me. Comfort themselves, it's a boost system. There's a massive wedge of a heel on here. They feel really nice. They're very spongy, not too spongy. I felt the Pharrell Williams take on NMD boot system was much more bouncy than this. These are just nice. These, I think you'd be able to rock all day without feeling too soft, without feeling too firm. They're just right, in my opinion. In terms of pricing, these were £150. Now, you get a premium box with it. You get a lot of stuff with it. You get premium bags with it. And you've got technology here, which is up there with any comfort in the Adidas Boost system. These were sold out. These were raffled everywhere, and they have been selling out all the time. For value for money, you cannot go wrong. I tell you now. A lot of people said they look a bit big. I feel they're just right. They don't look too big. It depends on what you're used to. I mean, other than that, I am really happy with this purchase. So that's my review of the Nmd S1s. Like I said to you, I was really happy to bring this to you. It's a personal review, really, you know, but I hope it helps you decide whether or not you want it to cop or drop, and I've given you enough information. So if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, definitely comment, and I will see you guys again in the future. Peace.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way.